Moving on now, it seems that LK Advani is over his disappointment of Modi being coronated. In his first speech since Modi was announced the BJP's prime ministerial candidate, LK Advani praised Narendra Modi and the model that the Gujarat chief minister has adopted in his state.
नरेंद्र मोदी जिनको के पार्टी ने देश के प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में प्रस्तुत किया है, उस श्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने गुजरात प्रदेश में, जिस गुजरात प्रदेश से मैं भी सांसद हूं, मैं भी आज संसद में प्रतिनिधित्व करता हूं गुजरात प्रदेश का, उस प्रदेश ने सबसे पहले यह उपलब्धि प्राप्त की कि कोई गांव न बचे गुजरात का जहां पर बिजली का प्रकाश सब लोगों को, सब नागरिकों को, सब किसानों को न पहुंच सके।
इसमें कांग्रेस पार्टी हम लोगों को मत घसीटो, इनकी आपस में लड़ाई खूब लड़ने। मैं तो यही कहूंगा कि जितना जो है वहां पे झगड़ा हो रहा है आपस में, तो जब इस पे सहमति नहीं बन पा रही कि कौन नेता हो उनका, तो देश को स्थायी नेतृत्व तो क्या देंगे।
Well, there you have it, of course, LK Advani coming out and praising Narendra Modi there, the stalwart saying that Modi is right for the nation and Modi is the perfect choice as far as India is concerned. Talking about the Gujarat model, of course, was LK Advani, and saying how Narendra Modi has ensured that Gujarat has been put on the world map and has been doing extremely well under Narendra Modi, and the country too will see the same kind of progress under Narendra Modi, is what LK Advani had to say at this particular address to the gathering in Chhattisgarh. Advani there clearly seems to be over his disappointment, and Advani was the main thorn in the flesh of Narendra Modi, of course, but now it seems like that particular chapter is closed, and Advani has come out in praise for Narendra Modi. Clearly, the BJP, a party with several differences in the recent past, seems to be putting forth a united front at this point in time, and it all started with Ram Jethmalani's birthday last night, and LK Advani as well as Narendra Modi visited Ram Jethmalani to greet him on his birthday, and we even saw Narendra Modi touching the feet of LK Advani there, and that seemed to have done it as far as LK Advani is concerned, and Ram Jethmalani seems to have been the man who has ensured that these two men have buried the hatchet, and now it looks like the BJP can put forward a very united front.
नरेंद्र मोदी जिनको के पार्टी ने देश के प्रधानमंत्री के रूप में प्रस्तुत किया है, उस श्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने गुजरात प्रदेश में, जिस गुजरात प्रदेश से मैं भी सांसद हूं, मैं भी आज संसद में प्रतिनिधित्व करता हूं गुजरात प्रदेश का, उस प्रदेश ने सबसे पहले यह उपलब्धि प्राप्त की कि कोई गांव न बचे गुजरात का जहां पर बिजली का प्रकाश सब लोगों को, सब नागरिकों को, सब किसानों को न पहुंच सके।
इसमें कांग्रेस पार्टी हम लोगों को मत घसीटो, इनकी आपस में लड़ाई खूब लड़ने। मैं तो यही कहूंगा कि जितना जो है वहां पे झगड़ा हो रहा है आपस में, तो जब इस पे सहमति नहीं बन पा रही कि कौन नेता हो उनका, तो देश को स्थायी नेतृत्व तो क्या देंगे।
NewsX's Kumar Shakti Shekhar joins us for more on this story right now. Shakti Shekhar, so far, of course, the BJP, a party with a difference, certainly had several differences within itself and could not put a united front. But finally, it looks like the tall leaders of the BJP have finally buried the hatchet, and now the party can finally put forth a united front.
Yeah, very true. During all this exercise, LK Advani had remained the only person who had opposed Narendra Modi's coronation as the BJP's prime ministerial candidate. Before him, the other leaders like Sushma Swaraj, Venkaiah Naidu, Anant Kumar, and everybody, they had fallen in line. It was only Advani till the last day, till the last moment, when the parliamentary board ratified Narendra Modi's candidature as PM's post for the BJP and NDA. LK Advani had abstained, in fact boycotted that parliamentary board meeting and it had happened for the first time in several years when LK Advani had boycotted the meeting. Before that, he had boycotted the parliamentary board meet and national executive meet in Goa when Narendra Modi was elevated as the party's election campaign committee. Then also LK Advani had chosen to skip that meet and he had stayed put in Delhi. And on last Friday also he did the same thing. He boycotted the parliamentary board meeting. In fact, he went a step further and wrote a letter to Rajnath Singh expressing his disappointment with the manner in which the party was functioning. But the very next day, 2 days after that, yesterday on Sunday, it was on Ram Jethmalani's birthday that Narendra Modi and LK Advani, they came face to face after that parliamentary board meeting on Friday. And there also the body language didn't speak volumes about their very cordial relationship. In fact, they just exchanged pleasantries and that's it. But today it seems Mr. Advani has had a change of heart, change of mind, and he lavishly praised Narendra Modi, the BJP's prime ministerial candidate, while speaking at a public rally in Chhattisgarh. And he even eulogized the Gujarat model of development, saying that all villages had now got electricity. So earlier, so he has set the stage for his meeting with Narendra Modi on dais for the first time in Bhopal on 25th of September, when Shivraj Singh Chauhan's ongoing yatra would make a stopover in Bhopal on the 25th of September, which also is the birth anniversary of BJP's BJP's ideologue Deen Dayal Upadhyay. So now all hatchets buried,
Right.
And even senior BJP leaders are heaving a sigh of relief. Rajnath Singh, the BJP national president, while I spoke with him, I asked him how does he feel now that LK Advani has also fallen in line. He said LK Advani was never angry with anybody, with anyone in the party, and he'll never be angry. And
Okay.
BJP's national spokesperson, in fact, M.A. Naqvi, Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, in the briefing now, he said Advani was the happiest person when Narendra Modi was anointed as the BJP's PM candidate. So
All right,
all,
Kumar
hatchets
Shakshekhar, we'll have to leave it at that.
and,
Thank you so much for joining us there with all